Cultural sensitivity and cross-border shooting are essential skills for street photographers working in a global world. When you photograph outside your own culture, you are not just observing a place. You are entering social norms, histories, and power dynamics that may be unfamiliar. Street photography across cultures requires humility first. You are a guest. Even in public spaces, your presence carries meaning. Approaching new environments with curiosity rather than entitlement shapes both your behavior and your images. Cultural sensitivity begins with research. Before photographing in another country or community, learn basic customs, social norms, and attitudes toward photography. Understanding what is respectful and what is offensive helps you avoid harm before it happens. Body language and personal space vary widely across cultures. What feels neutral in one place may feel aggressive or intrusive in another. Observing how locals interact with each other provides valuable guidance on how you should move and behave. Clothing choices matter. Dressing modestly and neutrally helps you blend in and shows respect. Standing out visually can attract attention and create discomfort, especially in conservative or highly communal cultures. Permission carries different weight across borders. In some cultures, photographing strangers candidly is widely accepted. In others, it is deeply uncomfortable or considered disrespectful. When in doubt, asking politely or choosing not to photograph is the safer path. Language barriers do not eliminate communication. Tone, gestures, and facial expression often matter more than words. A smile, a nod, or open posture can signal respect. Arrogance or impatience can close doors quickly. Power dynamics are especially important to consider. Photographers often come from positions of relative privilege. Photographing people in vulnerable situations without understanding context risks reinforcing stereotypes or exploiting difference. Cross-border shooting benefits from slower pacing. Instead of collecting images quickly, spend time observing. Let the environment teach you. Repeated visits to the same places build familiarity and trust. Editing choices also carry cultural responsibility. Images can be misinterpreted when removed from context. Be cautious with captions, sequencing, and presentation. Avoid framing cultures through cliches or extremes. Legal frameworks vary widely across countries. What is allowed in one place may be restricted in another. Respecting local laws protects both you and your subjects, but ethical responsibility should always go beyond legality. Listening matters as much as photographing. Conversations, even brief ones, deepen understanding. They influence how you frame people and places, even if those conversations never appear in the final work. Cross-cultural street photography is not about collecting exotic images. It is about witnessing everyday life with care. The goal is connection, not consumption. Mistakes may happen. When they do, accountability matters. Apologizing, learning, and adjusting behavior builds integrity. When practiced with sensitivity, cross-border street photography becomes a powerful exchange. It broadens perspective, deepens empathy, and challenges assumptions. Cultural sensitivity does not limit creativity. It strengthens it. When you photograph with respect and awareness, your images gain depth, credibility, and humanity. And that is what allows street photography to cross borders without causing harm.